Welcome to HyperCAD S. This video will demonstrate the new 3D PDF export capabilities of HyperCAD S in version 2017.1. Actually this part also has some toolpath in it. So I will turn on the toolpath and show you that even the toolpath can be exported into this 3D PDF file. To export, simply go to File, select Save As, change the format to PDF. You can go ahead and change the name. Let's take a look at the settings real quick. Save visible entities only, yes. Tessellation tolerance, then PDF export mode. I want the edges to actually be curves, so I can leave it as edges as curves so I have something that I can actually measure, because this is a great tool for collaboration with other engineers. So now let's take a look at the PDF file that just got created. Now this is going to open up in Adobe Reader. So this is no longer HyperCAD S software, but I'll try to show you some of the things that you can do even in the Adobe Reader. As you can see, the toolpath did come across. And this is fully 3D. And one of the things that you can do in this is you can go ahead and start taking some measurements. There's a number of toolbars up at the top. The ruler is measurement. And let's go ahead and measure the size of some of the holes. And when I put edges as curves, that's what's enabling me to actually grab that edge, that curve. So those are two holes. I can measure a distance between two holes. Snap to one and then snap to the other. I can also measure between planes or between faces. I can rotate while measuring. Very simple measuring commands. We also have the capability of doing cross-sectioning. You can see this is in the Z cross-section. And you can change the cross-sections any way you want, but you can also measure while in cross-section mode. Here I'll measure between two holes. And then again, I'll measure between two faces. And then I can turn the cross-sectioning off. And then finally, we have the capability of marking up this model, putting notes on certain geometry. For example, maybe I don't know exactly what size this hole needs to be. Or perhaps I need to know a surface finish requirement. And there we have it. Now I'm going to save this with all this annotation that I put in. And then I'm going to open it up to let you see what your customer or the engineer you're sending it to will see when he opens this file. So again, we'll open up the model tree. And you may be wondering now, where is all the annotation that I had put in there? Well, they're down as separate views. If you notice, measurement view 2, measurement view 3, and comment view. All I got to do is click on that view. It brings those up, and it's not just a static snapshot. It's still a full 3D rotatable model. So as you can see, there's a very nice collaboration tool. And that is the 3D PDF export for HyperCAD S 2017.1. Thank you for your time.